Ever wondered how to use Chat GPT effectively? You've come to the right place. This technology is a fascinating development in the world of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. It's a chatbot, but not your ordinary chatbot. Developed by OpenAI, Chat GPT is a powerful tool designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Imagine having a conversation with a computer that understands your language, your context, and even your nuances. That's Chat GPT for you. It's like having a virtual companion that can converse with you, answer your queries, and even help generate creative content. The potential uses for Chat GPT are vast. It can be a great asset for developers looking to integrate intelligent conversation capabilities into their applications. Businesses can use it to enhance customer service with automated yet intelligent responses. Educators can leverage it to create interactive learning experiences. And for content creators, it's like having an unlimited source of creative ideas. But why is it important to understand how to use Chat GPT effectively? Well, like any tool, the value you get from Chat GPT depends on how well you use it. It's not just about feeding it with inputs and getting outputs. It's about understanding its strengths, its limitations, and how to tweak its settings to get the desired outputs. In this video, we'll break down the process of using Chat GPT into easy-to-follow steps. We'll start with the basics of getting started with Chat GPT, then move on to how to interact with it, and finally we'll delve into its advanced features. Along the way, we'll share some best practices and tips to help you master the use of this powerful tool. So, are you ready to master the use of Chat GPT? Stay tuned. First things first, you need to know where to find Chat GPT. Well, locating Chat GPT isn't like finding a needle in a haystack, it's more like following a clearly marked path to a treasure chest. Start by heading over to OpenAI's website. It's the home base for Chat GPT and a plethora of other cutting-edge AI technologies. Now don't get lost in the grandeur of it all, keep your eyes on the prize. Once you've landed on the home page, navigate to the products section. Here you'll find Chat GPT waiting for you, ready to transform the way you interact with the digital world. It's like a silent partner, always ready to assist. Now let's talk setup. Chat GPT isn't a plug-and-play kind of deal. It's a sophisticated AI model that requires a bit of initial groundwork. But don't worry, it's nothing you can't handle. First, you'll need to create an account. It's a simple process, just like signing up for any other online service. You'll enter some basic information, choose a username and password, and voila, you're in. Next, you'll need to install some software. This includes the OpenAI Python library, which is crucial for interacting with Chat GPT. But don't fret, the installation process is straightforward, and OpenAI's documentation provides step-by-step instructions. Once the software is installed, you're ready to start setting up Chat GPT. This involves creating an API key in your OpenAI account, which will allow you to communicate with Chat GPT. Again, OpenAI's documentation will guide you through this process, and that's it. You're now all set up with Chat GPT. It might seem like a lot at first, but remember, you're dealing with a powerful piece of technology here. It's like setting up a new smartphone, a bit of initial effort, but the payoff is immense. So take a moment to congratulate yourself. You've taken your first steps into a larger world. A world where AI isn't just a buzzword, but a tool that can help you accomplish more than you ever thought possible. Now that you're all set up, it's time to dive into the fun part. Interacting with Chat GPT is a breeze once you know the basics. So let's dive right in. Starting a conversation with Chat GPT is as simple as sending a text message. You initiate the conversation by inputting a string of text, which can be a question, a command, or even a snippet of a story. It's flexible like that. For instance, you might ask, "What's the weather like?" or command it to tell me a joke. Now here's the fun part. ChatGPT doesn't just respond to your inputs, it also maintains the context of the conversation. So if you ask it about the weather and then ask it to tell me a joke, it won't forget your previous query. It's like having a conversation with a friend who pays attention. When it comes to inputting commands, it's important to be clear and concise. The more direct your command, the better ChatGPT understands it. For instance, instead of saying, "Can you tell me what the weather will be like?" you could say "weather forecast." Both will get you the answer, but the latter is more efficient. Interpreting ChatGPT's responses is also straightforward. It replies in the same way a human would, which makes the conversation natural and engaging. If you've ever texted a friend, you'll find the experience pretty similar. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool designed to assist you. So don't hesitate to experiment with different inputs and commands. See what responses you get. It's all part of the fun. And while we're at it, if you're enjoying this video and finding it insightful, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and like this video. It really helps out and ensures you don't miss out on any future content. See, it's as simple as that. But what if you want to go beyond the basics? Chat GPT isn't just a simple chatbot, it's a powerful tool with a range of advanced features. Let's delve into some of these advanced features to fully appreciate the capabilities of Chat GPT. One of the most remarkable features is the ability to customize its behavior. This isn't just about tweaking responses, it's about tailoring the entire interaction experience. You can adjust the temperature and max tokens parameters to influence the output's creativity and length. A lower temperature makes the bot's responses more focused and deterministic, while a higher value encourages more randomness. Moreover, you can employ system-level instructions to guide the model's behavior throughout a conversation. For instance, if you want Chat GPT to speak like Shakespeare, just tell it to do so. It's that simple, and yet it opens up a world of possibilities. Moving on, Chat GPT isn't just for chatting, it can be used for a variety of applications, from drafting emails, writing code, creating written content, to tutoring in a range of subjects. It's like having your personal assistant, tutor, and content creator all rolled into one. And the cherry on the cake, the potential for integration with other software. Developers can leverage the Chat GPT API to integrate this powerful tool into their applications, products, or services. This means you can have a Chat GPT-powered virtual assistant in your app, or a Chat GPT-driven customer service bot on your website. The opportunities are as vast as your imagination allows. So, as you can see, Chat GPT is more than just a chatbot. Its advanced features enable it to be a versatile, customizable, and integrable solution that can meet a wide array of needs. It's a tool that's constantly evolving, and with each update it becomes more powerful, more refined, and more attuned to your needs. With these advanced features, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're finding this useful. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some best practices for using Chat GPT. Remember, like any tool, Chat GPT is as effective as your approach to using it. So, let's make sure you're getting the most out of it. Firstly, be clear and specific with your commands. Chat GPT is a powerful tool, but it can't read your mind. The more precise you are, the better the result. Think of it as a conversation. If you're vague, you'll get vague responses, but if you're clear, the answers will be too. Secondly, respect ethical guidelines. AI technology like Chat GPT is continuously evolving, but it's vital to remember that it should be used responsibly. It's not designed to replace human interaction, but to complement it. Ensure you're using it in a way that respects the rights and privacy of others. Speaking of privacy, data security is critical. Ensure you're using encrypted connections and secure platforms when interacting with Chat GPT. And remember, while Chat GPT does not store personal data, it's always a good practice to avoid sharing sensitive information. Now, as we're wrapping up, let's not forget why we're all here: to learn, share, and grow. If you found this content helpful, we'd love to hear from you. Your feedback helps us create more content tailored to your needs. So take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. This is your third reminder, so make sure you don't miss out on more exciting content like this. To recap, using Chat GPT effectively comes down to being clear and specific, respecting ethical guidelines, ensuring data privacy, and staying engaged with our community. It's a powerful tool, and with these best practices, you'll be well on your way to making the most out of it. And that's how you use Chat GPT. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.